As the ethnic conflict in Manipur continues, with fresh tensions erupting in the Jiribam district, hundreds had to flee their homes to neighboring Assam for the second time since the conflict began in May last year. Now, security has been tightened in Assam's Lakhipur area and Kachar district after violence was reported in Manipur's Jiribam district, which shares the border with Lakhipur. As many as 600 people from Manipur from different ethnic communities have taken shelter in their relatives' home in Lakhipur after violence broke out in Jiribam since June last year. Tension gripped residents of Jiribam district last week when violence broke out in the wake of locals discovering the body of a Meitei farmer who had gone missing weeks ago. Soon after, locals had gathered around the Jiribam police station and started demanding that they be allowed to arm themselves for their own protection. The Jiribam district magistrates imposed a district-wide curfew immediately.
ताकि कोई एलिमेंट्स आके यहाँ पे लोगों का जो पीस है इसको डिस्टर्ब ना सके, उसके लिए हम लगातार कोशिश कर रहे हैं और उसके लिए हम पूरे तैनात हैं। और जो भी इसके लिए कुछ भी ऐसा करने के लिए कोशिश करेगा उसके ऊपर सख्त कार्रवाई होगा, आईनी कार्रवाई होगा। उसके ऊपर हम स्ट्रॉन्ग लॉफुल एक्शन लेने के लिए हम तैयार हैं। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने इसको लगातार संपर्क में वो हमको इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है कि यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग अगर कोई उधर से आ रहे हैं तो उसको दे शुड बी हियर, उसका लिस्ट बनाया जाए कौन कौन लोग आया है, कहाँ से आए हैं, और उसके ऊपर उसको कोई परेशानी ना हो, सिक्योरिटी वाइज उन लोगों को कोई परेशानी ना हो।
My colleague Ratnadeep joins me for more on this. Ratnadeep, we see sporadic flare-ups in Manipur time and again ever since the conflict actually broke out from last year. How serious is this one?
Well, this is quite serious given the fact that the location is very strategically important. Jiribam is a district which borders Assam. Now, it is through Jiribam that National Highway 37 links the Imphal Valley to the rest of the country through southern Assam, and this acts as an alternative lifeline to the other national highway which comes through Nagaland and onwards towards the Kuki dominated Kangkopi district, where we saw a lot of blockades last year. So this National Highway 37 was used as an alternative route for essential commodities to reach the Imphal Valley. Now, today what had happened is that an advance party which was part of the security detail of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, they were travelling from Imphal towards Jiribam because the Chief Minister, who was in Delhi, took a morning flight and he just landed in Imphal, and he was supposed to visit Jiribam tomorrow. So the Chief Minister along with top officials of the state was supposed to be in Jiribam throughout the day tomorrow, take stock of the situation, and therefore this advanced security party was moving and they were ambushed from hilltops with automatic weapons by suspected militant groups, and in fact two security personnel have sustained injuries. They were evacuated. More reinforcement has been sent and multi-agency operation has been launched. The Chief Minister who reached Imphal just now have spoken to media, we are told. Even in New Delhi before leaving for Imphal, he has spoken to media and he clearly said that the government is not going to cow down because of this kind of incidents, and more mobilization will be done in Jiribam as well as on the national highway. But what is important to note here is that over 600 people have already fled from Jiribam to neighboring Assam, taking shelter there after this series of incidents which has taken place there. And therefore, Assam government has also intensified its presence of security forces. Commandos of Assam police have been posted on the Assam-Manipur border near Jiribam.
Right. Ratnadeep there, thank you so much for joining us with an update on that story. Shifting focus now to more updates coming in on the NEET exam controversy. In fact, another fresh petition has been filed in Supreme